question like that needs the help of an expert. So, Chubby, what do you think? Liver bites? Sausage nuggets? Pepperoni chews? Pepperoni chews.
Oh, yeah.
Can I help choose pizza topping?
Hey, Marshall, what you do? Whoa.
How does he do that?
How did you even...
We should definitely bring pepperoni chews.
Rebel's stomach already decided, so, you're kind of late on that. I'm gonna say this now. Which pop do you like? There is 9. That includes Chase, Rebel, Rocky, Zuma, Sky, Chase, Tracker, Everest, and Sweetie. Not if you count Sweetie. So what was that? That was what? Chase, Zuma, Rebel, Marshall, Zuma, Rocky, Sky, Everest, Tracker, and Sweetie. I will put this in the description too, and I'll leave it to you guys in the comments. My favorite pup is Chase, and my 2 favorite pups are Chase and Tracker.
Alex, we're hanging over the edge. If we get out, the van could slide right down the cliff.
We need the Paw Patrol.
Yes, you do. You very much do.
Hi, Mr. Porter. Ryder here.
Ryder, Alex and I are headed up to Jinx, and the van had a blowout.
Are you okay?
They're fine. They're fine.
The van is hanging over the edge of a steep cliff. If we get out, it could fall down.
Yeah, that's it. And they could probably lose all the pizza and stuff. So that's pretty much bad for Rebel.
It's too small.
And that's basically bad for all of them, actually.
Ryder needs us. I guess I'll play later. Duty call.
Yeah, Ryder calls them a lot. I'm surprised that... Never mind, I'll tell you in the comments. I'll tell you later when this is done. Actually, I'll tell you when the Rocky video comes out. And don't worry, I will still do, like, different videos every day. Well, whenever I can get them in, actually.
Paw Patrol ready for action.
And also, this is from Mikey's TV, not the bottom one that I made the,
Marshall ate all the pepperoni chews, but I have room for pizza.
Excuse me.